This elephant was in a forced breeding program, and the bull elephant broke her hip, and it didn't heal correctly, so although it looks like she's crouching, that's actually how she stands. And she rather likes to hang out over here near the water, away from most of the other Ellies, although she's got one friend who's always over here with her. So these two live outside the main conference room here and spend the day mostly by the water. Looks like she's in for a snack. Some pumpkins. Oh, when the pumpkins come, she speeds right up, despite that back hit. Headed down to the river, and the friend is following along as well. Down the river and right out of sight.